Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with a really interesting product that I think is really good for a lot of people. This is HelloTushy.com's Tushy Classic, and they sell several different bidets on their website. This thing is pretty cool. I got to tell you, after I finally got it installed, I was really, really happy with it. When you first get it in the mail, it does seem a little kind of cheap and flimsy, but it actually does a great job in achieving what it wants to take and do. So let's talk about how that works. Now, currently on their website, it runs for $69 in retail. And I'd highly recommend, if you are going to consider this product, this is my personal opinion, that you plan on additionally paying for a plumber or a handyman to install it for you. Unless you're good with plumbing and you're good with tools and work around the house, this thing was a thing of great issue for me. Some people seem to have done better with it. I did not. After 2 hours of frustration and wanting to throw the thing into the wall, we finally had a plumber install it and got it to quit leaking and doing all the things that I guess I was doing wrong, because I'm not a plumber, clearly, and got it to work right. And so now I'm really happy with the product once we got it installed. So if you're thinking about getting this product, my opinion is plan on paying a good handyman to do it and get it done right, so you don't have any leaks and all that good stuff in your home. That's really important, and it gets put together with all the gaskets and all that sort of stuff. I did take some umbrage with their video online that says, oh, you can install it in 10 minutes and it's quick and easy. Even my plumber agreed that it might take up to 30 minutes or 20 minutes to get installed with him as a professional plumber, and to get it right and everything fixed up. So I would say, if you're going to look at this product, consider that, because it's incredibly frustrating when everything's leaking, you can't get everything right, because most of us aren't plumbers, and there's a reason we probably pay them. Anyway, the company is great to work with. We had a good time, even though I was having trouble with getting it to install properly without any leakage. But once the plumber did the professional job on it, we had no problems whatsoever. And it works great. I got to tell you, for 2 weeks now, I've been running without using any toilet paper other than to test to see if there's any residue left over. It's great. You can adjust it. You can take and spray it in different volumes so that you can go light or up and down. I had some people ask if it was cold. It wasn't too cold, but I do live in Las Vegas, where the air is warm and the water is warm. So I don't know how this would be if you lived in, like, say, the middle of winter in Minnesota, and maybe your water comes out cold. They do sell different versions, of course, that you can get. They're a little bit more expensive, but not much, that will heat the water for you as well. And you should probably look into all the different versions they have. Anyway, after going through the experience of the Tushy, I'd highly recommend it. It's definitely a great way to make sure your bum is clean. You don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. You don't have to spend 5 hours wiping, going through toilet paper. I got to tell you, this thing's going to save me probably a fortune in toilet paper just in the first year or 6 months of what I'm going to save in toilet paper. It does a great, great job when it comes down to it. And you come out just feeling nice, clean, and fresh. And wow, what better way to come out of the restroom than that? So go to HelloTushy.com and check out the Tushy Classic. And once again, I highly recommend it. Just make sure you plan on hiring a handyman or plumber, and that additional expense if you run into problems installing it yourself. You can try, but I just plan on it as well. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.